In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink OneDrive from your PC. Let's dive straight into it. Sometimes you might find yourself needing to sever the connection between your PC and OneDrive. Whether it's because you're swapping to a different cloud service, aiming for a more minimalist digital setup, or troubleshooting, unlinking OneDrive can be done in just a few steps. First up, what you'll need to do is open the OneDrive app on your desktop or laptop. This might seem straightforward, but it's crucial. You might have OneDrive pinned to your taskbar, or you might need to search for it. If it's running, you'll likely see its cloud icon in the lower right corner of your screen in the notification area. A quick click there and you're on your way. Now, once you have the OneDrive app open, look for an option that says Sync and Backup. This might require you to click on the Help and Settings icon, often found at the bottom right of the OneDrive window. Upon finding Sync and Backup, you want to make your way to Manage Backup. This is where OneDrive gives you insights into what folders are being synced and backed up, typically your desktop, pictures and documents folders. At this juncture, you're going to want to click on Account. This should be fairly easy to locate. Usually it's at the top of the window or within a Settings or Preferences menu. This section is where your connected accounts are managed, showcasing the email address linked with your OneDrive and possibly other related settings. Your next step is very crucial, and I encourage you to ensure you're ready to proceed. Click on Unlink this PC. By selecting this, you're initiating the detachment process, telling OneDrive to stop syncing with this particular computer. It's a way to say, hey, I want my files local, or maybe I want them somewhere else entirely. It's essential to understand that this doesn't delete your files from OneDrive Online. It simply stops them from syncing with your PC moving forward. Finally, you're going to confirm your choice by clicking on Unlink Account. It's a way of verifying your decision, ensuring that it wasn't made accidentally. Think of it as a safety net, a final "Are you sure?" before the changes take effect. Now let's talk about what happens next. After you've unlinked your account, OneDrive will no longer sync your files. However, it's important to remember that any files that were synced up to the point of unlinking will remain on your PC. They're still accessible, they're just not going to update on OneDrive anymore. It's like taking a snapshot in time. Everything as it is right now stays, but new changes won't mirror in OneDrive. Here's a tip: if you're unlinking OneDrive, because you're moving to a new cloud service, make sure you've transferred all your needed files over to the new service before making the unlink move. It might also be a good opportunity to sift through your files and do a bit of digital decluttering. Sometimes after unlinking, you might want to remove the OneDrive folder from your PC to clear out space. Remember, doing so will delete those files from your PC, so make sure they're backed up somewhere else if you need them. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully unlinked OneDrive from your PC. It's a straightforward process that gives you control over your files and where they're stored. Whether you're troubleshooting, decluttering, or merely shifting to another cloud service, knowing how to unlink OneDrive is a handy piece of knowledge to have in your digital toolkit. I hope this guide was helpful. Remember, even after unlinking, your OneDrive files remain accessible online, so you can always get what you need when you need it, just no longer directly through your PC's file system. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.